Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the 12V battery is healthy and terminals are tight. This prevents false alerts and powers diagnostics. Next, plug an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner into the port and read stored DTCs so you know which circuits to target. While the scanner reports, open the fuse box and visually inspect fuses and connectors under the dash for discoloration or looseness, because failed fuses or poor connections cause many dashboard warnings. Once you have codes and have removed suspect fuses, replace any blown fuses with identical amp-rated spares. This restores power to affected circuits. Then use a multimeter to test sensor power, ground, and signal continuity. Trace wiring back to connectors to find breaks or corrosion. If a DTC points to ABS or airbag modules, follow code-specific steps. Reseat connectors, clear codes, and retest. If the hybrid system code appears, prioritize high-voltage safety and consult hybrid-specific service procedures. After repairs, clear all diagnostic trouble codes and restart the car. Make sure warning lights stay off during initial startup. Then take a short test drive to allow systems to complete self-tests and confirm the issue is resolved. Once back, recheck 12V battery voltage and terminal tightness, because low voltage can recreate warnings. If lights return, immediately rescan to capture new or persistent codes and focus on the implicated module. This speeds targeted troubleshooting and prevents misdiagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.